So hey mamas, I just wanted to come on here real quick, and today we're going to discuss pocket diapers, okay? How we use them and all of that. So go ahead, sit back, and guess what? Get some fluff in your life, okay? So first of all, what is a pocket diaper, okay? So a pocket diaper is it is a type of cloth diaper. There are tons of cloth diapers out here, different kinds, the old-fashioned kind that was used back in the day when our parents were coming up, grandparents, and some of us even wore. But today we're going to keep it simple and talk about pocket diapers, okay? So a pocket diaper is pretty much what it says it is, okay? It is a diaper with a waterproof outer shell. The inside there is a pocket. Okay, there's a pocket located on the inside, and inside of that pocket is where you place your insert. All right, so right here we're going to go ahead and show you what that is the pocket right there on our featured brand Royal Doody diapers. On the outside there is normally some rows of snaps here. These snaps make it easy to adjust to fit your baby. Now pocket diapers come available to adjust to 3 different sizes. This size right here is on the largest setting. It is the largest size that pretty much will fit up into a bigger size child or baby, okay? This size right here is on the second setting, okay? Which I will call this maybe a medium, size medium, okay? So if you notice, it is on the second setting, okay? You probably can see the difference in the sizes, but there is a difference, okay? And this one right here is on the smallest setting, which would fit a newborn baby, perfectly, okay? So this is on the smallest setting, and you can, right here, you see me showing you the difference. There is a difference, okay? All right, so with that all figured out, let's go ahead and show you how you adjust your pocket diapers to fit your baby. So once you figure out what size you will work best for your child, you just go ahead and snap them down. It's very simple, very easy, mamas. Very, very simple and easy. You're just pretty much going to snap it down to fit, okay? I'm going to go ahead and show you that one more time here. So we're going to undo that, and we're going to take it to the first row, which, like, again, I like to call this a medium. I like to say this is a size medium, okay? But you go ahead and snap that down. All right, and just like that, okay, so you've adjusted it to the size that you need. Okay, so once you have that figured out, it's time to stuff the diaper with your insert, okay? So right here we have our bamboo insert, which comes with all of our Royal Doody diapers. So you just go ahead and open your pocket diaper up, and just open up the pocket, and you're going to stuff the insert inside of it, just like you see me doing here. Now you all know, I'm pretty sure you noticed, I have big hands, okay? So yeah, my hand fits in there perfectly. But yes, just go ahead and stuff that in there. You want to make sure it's flat, make sure it's straight in there, and you'll see me doing that right here, trying to get it in there flat and all nice and neat, okay? So yeah, it's still a little bunched up, so I'm trying to work with it, and it's not hard, mamas. It's not hard at all. Not at all. This is just part of the process. Okay, now that we've gotten that in there, let's show you how to put it on. Now, excuse Mr. Elephant, of course, modesty will not let me, she will wiggle. She will not stay still long enough for me to use her as an example. So we're going to use Mr. Elephant here, okay? So basically what you would do, you would lay your child down, place it on the baby as you would do a regular disposable diaper, but this is a little different. Now this diaper, of course, is too big for Mr. Elephant, but it's simple. You're basically going to snap your snaps into place to adjust to fit your baby. It's simple. You want to make sure you get a nice snug fit, especially around the legs and the thigh area, so to avoid any leakage. Okay, so that is that. Simple, easy, Easy to do, okay? So once it's time for a change, this is something that I like to do. This is, I mean, it's just a tip. Remove the diaper from the baby. Now, you know, if your baby is breastfed, you do not have to worry about raking any poop off. But if your baby is not breastfed, you will have to rake the poop off into the toilet stool, okay, before you wash, because it will not dissolve in the washing machine, okay? But once again, breastfed babies, you don't have to worry about that. But another thing about Royal Doody diapers is that we have what you call a tummy panel. This tummy panel is a great feature because it keeps the baby's tummy dry, clothing dry, because sometimes you will experience leakage, especially when your baby is taking a nap, overnight, or, you know, long drives or trips or what have you. So that is a great feature, okay? So this is a little tip that I like to do once I remove all of Modesty's diapers off of her. I like to take the diaper and simply roll it up. These are the soil diapers. And I like to just snap it down. This keeps them nice and tucked. And I just like to toss it, of course, into her diaper pail. Not on the floor, of course. But yes, that's how I like to keep hers all neat, okay? Now, so yes, that's pretty much it, mamas. I just wanted to chit chat with you all real quick on just some simple tips and tricks and basic use on pocket cloth diapers. I just want to kind of help you all, let you all know that it is not hard, very simple, very easy. And until the next video, get some fluff in your life. Okay, mamas.